Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Nucleus and I'm #looking for love here at cellharmony.com. So my theme song is a version of Beyonce's Run the World Girls, but it's called Run the Cell Nucleus since I run the cells and help the organelles function. My pickup line is, "Hey girl, can you help me make the us in Nucleus?" And my hashtag is CEO of Cell since I kind of act as the CEO since I'm in charge. So as for the location and function, I live in eukaryotic cells, and that includes plant and animal cells. I control all cellular activities by controlling the synthesis of proteins. Some of these activities include the growth, the intermediary metabolism, protein synthesis, and reproduction, which is also known as cell division, and I also maintain the security of genes. So what would happen if I wasn't in the cell? So if I either wasn't working properly or wasn't in the cell at all, there would be no cell division, and protein synthesis would either not happen at all or the wrong protein would be produced. So all of this would result in the cell dying, so it's really important that I am functioning properly and that I'm in the cell. So here are some extra fun facts about me. My favorite movie is Nuclei to the Rescue. My favorite TV show is The Organelles. My favorite music genre is cell hop. And I got my master's degree at NIT, which is also known as Nucleus Institute of Technology. So some more fun facts about me are that I am actually the CEO of the cell, and I really love my job because it's very important and I can tell the organelles what to do, which makes me feel very powerful. I actually don't like to vacation because I know that my job is super important, and as I mentioned on a previous slide, if I'm not working properly or if I'm not in the cell, then the cell's gonna die, and I don't want that to happen, so I rarely go on vacation. So do you want to have kids? Yes, I do. And like I said before, I am the CEO of the cell, and I'm originally from Kinsellikut. So the physical structure and function of the nucleus is that it's formed by a nuclear membrane that's around a fluid called nucleoplasm, and within that, there are threads of chromatin in the nucleus that contain deoxyribonucleic acid, which is also known as DNA, and that's the genetic material of the cell. As I've stated before, I am essentially the control center of the cell, and I carry out all of the activities of the cell. As for my size, I am 2 to 10 microns, and I'm the largest organelle in a eukaryotic cell. For diseases, there are several diseases that can occur within the genes. For example, certain mutations or copies of certain chromosomes can result in a disease, but also there is something called nuclear lamina, and that happens when mutations in the A-type lamina cause a broad spectrum of human disease. So if you're interested and you think that we're compatible, then feel free to call me or text me at this number, and I will pick up with my cell phone. Thank you for listening.